Hey, it's Tax Quips time from TaxMama.com. Today, Tax Mama hears from Mike in the Tax Quips forum, who has a common type of question. He says, I work in sales as an employee. May I itemize my clothing expenses and mileage? Well, Mike, first let's take the easy part of the question. Clothing. You need to wear clothing in this society. We're not legally permitted to go around naked, much as we might like to. Besides, nudity might cost you sales. So, since you need to wear clothing anyway, there is no deduction for that. Now, let's look at mileage. The first thing you have to do is look at your company's reimbursement policy for your mileage. If they reimburse salespeople, then you're required to submit your expense report to your company on a timely basis and to get reimbursed. If your expenses are higher than the company's allowable reimbursements, track all your expenses. Track all the miles you drive, total miles and business miles, and keep evidence of the mileage. And pay attention because commuting miles are not deductible. That means driving from home to office and back. Then use Form 2106 to report all your expenses. Deduct the reimbursements you receive from your company on line 7 of Form 2106. Now, before you go through all this work to document and track your expenses, see if you can even use itemized deductions in the first place. Typically, unless your unreimbursed expenses are over $10,000 and/or you own a home and pay mortgage interest, you might not have enough expenses to itemize. I know, it's a shame when it costs you so much to do your job. Just in case, please read IRS Publication 463 for more details on business expenses you can use, how to use them, and how to document the expenses. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about job-related expenses and other tax and business issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.